Hey and welcome back to the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. Do your best ideas come in the shower? I know I'm not the only one. Cognitive scientist Scott Barry Kaufman did a study that found 72% of people get creative ideas in this particular location. He said, "We did a multinational study and found that people reported more creative inspiration in their showers than they did at work." Why is this the case? Why do we have bright ideas in the shower? If you are curious to know the answer, watch this short video to the end. Showers are a safe place that provides a dopamine high, relaxed state, and distracted mind. Factors that are ideal for the creativity and idea formation. Dopamine, critical to creativity, is released when we're relaxed, feeling great, listening to music, exercising, and yes, taking a shower. But, on top of dopamine, showers provide a chance to be distracted and give you, as one Harvard researcher puts it, the break you need to disengage from a fixation on the ineffective solution. Ideas need to marinate, bake, and form before they move forward. Showers provide the time that takes. Why does this matter? The reason why most of our creativity comes in the shower is that we are not allowing space during the rest of day to let our mind wander and daydream. Our day often feels like it is stuffed from the moment we wake up till the time we go to bed. Mind you, it's not always stuffed with important or critical things. Many times the focus is on a screen where we are scrolling through something. We find ourselves having a lack of breathing room. Often the only place where we are not surrounded by a screen is in the shower, because that could get dangerous, or at least costly. How to replicate that focused environment? A shower is great, but, let's face it, you can't be in there all day. Here's what we scribbled down to get more concrete about making space. 1. Wake up before the rest of your family and have at least a half hour of screen-free time. 2. Walk around outside more. 3. Listen to good, inspirational music. 4. When it's not necessary or important, get away from your desk more often. 5. When your kids are playful and silly, join in and play with them. 6. Turn your phone off after 9 p.m. In an overstuffed world, space and daydreams are important. Finding time isn't always easy, but it's worth it. So, in the name of creativity, heat up the water, turn off the phone, and discover something new. You might just be one shower away from your next great idea. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check out our other videos for more interesting psychology topics. Thanks for watching.